Okay, this is an interesting one. We got an iPad here, iPad A1474. Now the problem with this is it doesn't recognize data when it's connected to a computer. I had a look under the microscope and I can see pin number 2 and 3 on the left side are down. They're not standing up. So if you can see from there, yeah, so pin number 2 and 3, it's maybe hard to see. There we go, maybe. Yeah, they're hard to, they're not getting recognized. So there is a bit of rubbish in there, which is fine. I tried cleaning with a bit of alcohol, but no luck. But this guy is either broken I'm gonna see if that can be repaired, or is that broken off? I need a good stable position to be able to okay, let me try this. Okay, maybe we can work like this between the knees. There we go. Okay, you can't see jack shit. Okay. Yeah, I can't really help the focus for you. But let's see what I can do here. So I got that pin up. How about that one? Ah, there's corrosion there. There we go. See all that corrosion? Okay, maybe spray some alcohol there. Nope. Let me see what I can do. If the toothbrush will go in there. It's slightly better than before, but still not the best. Okay, let me see if I can find the sharper tweezers. What's the sharpest tweezers I've got? Okay, give me a sec. Okay, here we go. Let's check that out again. Okay. Let's spray a little bit of more alcohol. Make sure this iPad is fully drunk. Okay. Let's see what happens when I connect this guy. Let's have a look at diode mode. Pin number 2, nothing. 3, 4, 5, really? 6, 7, 8. So 8 is ground, okay. How about resistance? Oh, okay. So pin number 6. The one I'm interested in is in pin number 3. So that's good. There is contact. And pin number 2. That's good. So they both are making contact. So technically, if you connect it up to a computer, say a MacBook, of course you can't connect a iPad directly to a MacBook. You need to use an adapter. Okay. So before they said they can only charge and the computer can't see the iPad, so you can't do any updates. Okay. So I don't know the status of this iPad. I'll just hide the screen. Okay, so we're just waiting for it to pop up here as the iPad, hopefully. Okay, still booting up. iPad is disabled. Connect to iTunes. Okay. So the PIN number has been entered too many times. Okay, let me try the recovery method. I'm holding the power button while booting it up. Maybe it will come up as, oh, here we go, iPad. There we go. Great, so that's good news. Okay, I think that should be fine. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.